there was some problem that I even didn't know that exists. But Anna like pointed it out, and if it wasn't Anna, like I would never knew about this problem. Yeah, so I've been here in Barcelona for 8 years now. And yeah, since like 2-3 years ago, I was always like thinking about like buying a flat. And at the beginning I started alone, and because I'm like single and there's nobody who can help me, and also I have some trouble with like speaking Spanish. So that's why I was struggling at the beginning for like few months. And then I got a recommendation from my friends at work. Yeah, he used like Inspire before, and he told me that it was the best money he ever spent. So I trusted him and I contacted like Ralph. And yes, from the beginning, yeah, Ralph was really explaining me well, like how everything is going on, like gonna proceed, and also how they can help. And this is what I really wanted to have, because yeah, like I want some like second opinions on like looking for a flat, and also like going through all the procedures, because like yeah, there should be a lot of like Spanish involved, like language wise. And also there, like one thing happened to me was like the first flat we found, there was some problem that I even didn't know that exists. But Anna like pointed it out, and if it wasn't Anna, like I would never knew about this problem. So it was really a good decision for me to yeah, work with Inspire. So first, when I started like searching for myself, like the first thing I did was contacting like mortgage broker, because I wanted to know my budget first, then to find the flat. But the thing is, it was really hard to get any response without like a proposal or like the flat that I have in mind. So I was a bit lost at the beginning, like because they were keep asking me, yeah, then like first show us the flat, then we will like evaluate your case. But I wanted to know like what kind of budget I can like yeah, check, because I didn't want to waste time. But yeah, after working with Inspire, like Ralph explained me like how yeah, it happens. So, and Ralph also yeah, contacted like 3 like banks and yeah, mortgage brokers, and that really smoothed the process. And as I said before, like in the end, like at the beginning it was like quite like I'm quite lost and like didn't know what to do. But once yeah, we found a flat and contacted the banks, afterwards the process was all smooth, and I'm really happy this is all over.